Try to be Darrell. Alright, we're on. Yo man, my name Darrell, and I'm gonna give you a few tips for letting women into your kitchen. Alright, I'm gonna bring you over here. Bring you over here. Look at this nice sink. Look how deep it is. It's got nice depth. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that faucet. It goes on and off. Okay, let's bring it over here a little bit. Look at this. I don't even drink no coffee. But when girls come over, they're like, "Damn, Darrell, you got some coffee?" I'll be like, "Yeah, I got the Starbucks barista." I'll bring them over here. Kids want their little stuff, little smoothie or something. I'm like, got the Cuisinart Smart Power. Yo, let's check out this fridge or something. Look what we got in here, man. Gotta have the minced garlic. Stay healthy.
Hello.
Got the Silk. It's like regular milk, but it's low in calorie.
I'm here.
Alright, if you black, you gotta have cucumber ranch. Cucumber ranch is the way to go. Niggy. You know, girls come over here, they bring their little niggies. So you know what I got in the freezer? Chocolate eclair for the little bitches. Close that. Let's come over here. Always keep my kitchen clean with some extra moisturizing pledge. Oh! Got like 20 different flavors up in here. Damn! We got tricks in this motherfucker. I don't even know what that is. Fruit Cheerios, motherfucker. Got Lipton iced tea, motherfucker. Yo, let's close that. Yo, man. You come over here, you want some pasta? Bam! Whole grain. Damn. Got some ragu, robusto. Let's see what's in here. If you real nigga, original syrup. Store brand from Target. Damn. Got some popcorn for the movie nights with the ladies. Always got that. Come over here. And this one's wild. Mexican candy. Gotta have Mexican candy up in here. Hot fudge. That's what people call me sometimes. They're like, "Damn, what's up, hot fudge?" Alright. Look at this. Whirlpool microwave oven. Look at that, one touch. You ain't gotta touch it twice. Cause that's one touch. Look at this. Look how clean it is up in here, man. Keep my knives over here just in case I gotta stab somebody. Be right back. Up in here, plastic bowl, buttercup. Well, that's my kitchen. A few tips for ladies.